Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to NinjaTrader. The first thing I want you to do is go to NinjaTrader, log into your account because we need to go ahead and enable TradingView access. The way you do that, you come to the top right, click on your profile icon, click here on settings, and then I want you to go ahead and click on this planned icon right here. And you need to either go ahead and fund your live account to use TradingView for free, or you can go ahead and pay for this plan. Once you've done that, you come back here to TradingView. You come to the top right, click on this icon, and here on the watch list, you can click on any of these stock tickers. So I've clicked here on Apple, click on this icon to open up the chart in a new tab, and then we'll just click here for full chart. And then here at the bottom, you should see trading panel. I want you to go ahead and click on that. Then I want you to scroll down till you see show all brokers. Click on that. Then scroll down here, you should see NinjaTrader. Click on that, and then you just enter NinjaTrader username, password, and then you can go ahead and connect. Really that easy, and that is how to connect TradingView to NinjaTrader. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Guides Archive.